When conflict is handled correctly, we grow closer to each other. Never use harsh words when you correct an older man, but talk to him as if he were your father. Talk to younger men as if they were your brothers, older women as if they were your mothers, and younger women as if they were your sisters. Cultivating community. You can develop a healthy, robust community that lives right with God, enjoy its results, only if you do the hard work of getting along with each other, treating each other with dignity and honor.